Alright guys, this is my first video. It's a 2017 Raptor. Want to let you guys know what I did with the exhaust. I had I kept the resonator, but still took out the muffler. I just straight piped it. I didn't want it to be that loud, so what I did is just, I kept the resonator, and then I just took out the muffler here. It doesn't sound too bad. It's not too loud or anything where it's like really annoying when you drive it around. I'm going to show you guys a video of it on a cold start. That's at idle. Test drive it around, and hopefully you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can hear the sound off the exhaust. I mean, I don't have like an expensive camera or microphone or anything like that. I'm just shooting off my phone. All right, guys.